Ever wondered how crucial local SEO is to your business's online visibility? Local SEO plays a vital role in making your business more visible in local searches, thereby amplifying your online presence. Local SEO isn't just about visibility, it's about positioning your business at the heart of your local community. But what are the real benefits of investing in local SEO? Dive into the world of boosted web traffic, prolific lead generation, and dynamic conversions. Imagine your small enterprise going toe-to-toe with industry giants, all thanks to the power of local SEO. It's not just about location, it's about building trust and credibility, managing your reputation with precision. Local SEO is your secret weapon, your invisible cloak of invincibility. In a nutshell, local SEO levels the playing field, making your business a formidable contender in the local market. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Consider the power of local SEO in your digital marketing strategy. Authority Solutions offers expert SEO services tailored for your specific needs. Don't wait. Improve your business's local visibility today with Authority Solutions. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful tips.